on your nose.
Let me put my hand to a toast.
No.
What you say?
Let me put my toe on your nose.
Yo YouTube, welcome back to a challenge today. Today we're here with a whisper challenge. You must know what that by now, so just drop a like before we start. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, that's when you get every video when we post. Yeah, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Ready now. Alright. Jada Kingdom Batty Big. He's out of the face, but Jada Kingdom Batty Big.
Jada Kingdom Batty Big. Hey boy. Let me put my toe on your nose.
Let me put my toe on to use.
No. No.
Talk, a tree try me up. Talk.
Let me put my toe at your nose.
Let me put my toe to use.
No. Let me put my toe at your nose.
What is it?
Let me put my toe at your nose.
Let me put my toe on to use.
No.
What is it?
Let me put my toe on your nose.
Let me put my hand to a toast.
No.
What is it?
Let me put my toe on your nose.
Nasty boy. When cow squirt mosquito back fist. When cow squirt mosquito back fist. When cow squirt mosquito back fist.
When cow skirt mosquito back.
Oh fuck you know that. Yo.
What? Oh, that go. Yo, me can't read lips. Me tell us me can't read lips.
Stop telling the fuck your teeth. Come like a man ears have sing with us turn on the song one time. Man teeth are afraid.
I don't even want him up. It's on the way over now. Did you smell my socks last night? Did you smell my socks last night?
Sure. That me I hear, brother.
Did you smell my socks last night?
Did you smell Frank's last night?
Did you smell my socks last night?
Did you smell socks last night?
Yeah.
You get it right?
Yeah.
What's my mood to get bigger?
Which farm will me count?
Nice try. Now box in the fuck. What's my mood to get bigger? Ease out of my chest, no man.
What you say?
What's my mood to get bigger?
Which part you gone when you gonna work?
Nice, me I go fuck you up. What's my mood to get bigger?
Which part the movie there your yard?
Last chance, eh? Last chance. What's my mood to get bigger?
Which part you using lotion on your yard?
No. What's my mood to get bigger?
Well, I mean, not like some girl when they wax us.
True, man. No, like no girl.
But I mean, I'm back to auntie, no?
For true, I'm not back to that. I just make you feel. No, they will.
No. Ready.
I'm not like that for true, man.
Don't say something that's like back in that out. It's not got hot.
It's not go hot. This is soft.
Ready now?
Well done. Turn back.
When I pass the song now, man.
Yeah, man, no racing. It's on ready now. Ready. Watch you now.
Stop fool.
Ready.
Fatality.
You look like ants.
They look like ants.
You look like ants. Hold on, let me take a quick check there now.
You look like ants.
Yeah.
You better laugh. I love all women. I love all women.
Mogovi.
I love all women. I love all women.
Girl love gunman.
Me love all woman.
Me love freaky woman.
Me love all woman.
Me love all woman.
Yeah.
Everybody follow you on TikTok. Everybody follow you on TikTok.
Everybody afraid of me.
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
What you say?
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
No.
What you say?
Everybody follow you on TikTok.
Bruh. That me say a while ago. Everybody follow you on TikTok. You look like Amari.
Me look like Amari. I'll make your penis get big. I'll make your penis get little.
I'll make your piece yellow.
No. I'll make your penis get little.
I'll make your penis little.
Yeah, but you have to pronounce it better.
I'll make your penis little.
I'll make your penis little.
I'll make your penis little.
Yeah.
So that me I say how long? Shit 2 times a day.
Eh?
Shit 2 times a day. Shit 2 times a day.
Eh?
Shit 2 times a day.
Shit 2 times again.
Close. Shit 2 times a day.
Eh?
Just back no man. Sure. Shit 2 times a day.
Shit 2 my you shit 2 times a year.
No, you get wrong too much time and I don't get right, so I go back so.
Oh brother, but that close, you know, that cup that.
It close, but close not close enough. Unfortunately in this world. You see you're right or you're wrong. 2 plus 2 hours.
2, 4, 4.
Alright, so don't say if I say 3 you would have still wrong.
You're just ready. When ants see black people, them back them face. Mirror!
Yeah, it ain't a play. It's like that play.
And that me I say no man.
When the ants see black people, them back them face. That give an extra.
When ants see white people, they tear off them bottom. When ants see white people, them tear off them bottom.
What you say?
When ants see white people, then tear off them bottom.
When ants see white people, them bite them on them bottom.
No, tear off them bottom.
When ants see white people,
Yeah.
them bite them bottom.
No, when ants see white people, then tear off them bottom. Last try.
When ants see white people, them tear off them bottom.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
How can I fuck with them ass? I would stiff every time I see Shensia.
Eh?
I would stiff every time I see Shensia.
Me stone stiff every time I see Shensia. When mango see people, then faint in a middle road.
When mangoes see people, them fly off of the road. Alright, this is our last backside video. Just subscribe, turn on the bell, that's when you get every bang away. When we post on the channel, you know see it, so. Without further ado, subscribe to the channel, drop a like. Yeah.